Hi everyone, I'm Yossi, Head of Product Communications at Odoo, and it's time for today's Odoo's Tips and Tricks. Our customers wonder when they should implement Odoo with the help of an official Odoo partner. Let's take a closer look at this today and explore the reasons why working with an Odoo partner may be the right choice for you. It's easy to get sticker shock when looking at a project proposal, but trying to cut corners doesn't always pay out in the end. By listening to our customers' experience over the years and knowing the industry firsthand, here's why an experienced strategic Odoo partner is worth the price tag. So what do our official partners offer? Many partners offer a wide range of services such as project management, Odoo development, training, and on-premise installation, as well as integration services. Some partners also charge for their services per hour of consulting or development. So when would it be appropriate to seek out an official Odoo partner? Here are the 4 main reasons to go with a partner. They speak, breathe, and live Odoo and know the system intimately. You may also need more than 200 hours of development and want tailor made-to-measure solutions. Customized applications is something that you know you will need. And finally, having a local presence is highly important to you and your team because change management and training on site is best done in person. If you're interested in learning more on who our official partners in your area are, please take a look at the link below. You need to do your research and know what's available in your market and truly what to expect. Thanks again for your time today, and be sure to tune in next time. Don't forget to like and follow us to get the latest videos and content on all things Odoo. Stay healthy out there and Odoo it all.